Hey everyone, Meg here from I Teach Stamping, and today we're actually playing with a kit. Now normally I'm not a big kit lover, but I saw this Best Remedy one and I had to have it. Today I'm going to show you just how easily this comes together. It's got the full set of instructions and all that, but look at everything that's in there. Okay, so I like to do all my stamping first. Now in your kit is going to come a stamping spot. I just prefer to use my bigger ink pads. It's just a personal preference. There's the sheet where you can do most of your stamping, and they always include extra in case you mess up. So I'm going to stamp all my sentiments first. The only one I didn't is going to be on the second card, and you'll see why. It's got this pattern paper that's already cut and scored for you, and matching envelopes to go along with it. Use a bone folder, get a nice crisp edge, and then there's this pink dry embossed piece ready to go. Add that on top, and then some yellow pattern paper also included. And then I didn't stamp my images. These cute little critters that I'm going to be using, like this mouse, they were already done for me. Now I did stamp my sentiment. I just popped him out, popped him up with some dimensionals, used my sentiment. Y'all saw me do that on that first piece. And then there's these self-adhesive back sequins that I'm going to add to it. So there's enough to make 3 of this specific card, and then we're ready to move on to the next one. Now this is the one, there were 3 blue hearts in the kit, and you stamp part of your sentiment on the heart itself, so I didn't show that at the beginning of the video. I stamped the sentiment on there, and you can mix and match with the different sentiments that are on the stamp set. They all work together. Again, I did not stamp the skunk. I could have, but I didn't. Popped him out, stamped my sentiment, and these are some yellow adhesive back flowers. They're super cute, and just like that, card 2 is done. Moving on to card 3. Again, it's pre-cut, pre-scored. This is already dry embossed, this blue panel right here. And we're gonna add some green pattern paper that I also just popped out of the little kit. And then I went with the chick image for this one. Again, didn't stamp it. Now the stamp set only has the skunk for the images, but it's got all the sentiments. We're gonna add this on top and finish it off with sequins. So like I said, sometimes I'm not a big kit lover, but every once, or actually most of the time I'm not a big kit lover, but when I see one that I just love and have to have, then I get it, and this was one of them. And like I said, you can make 9 of these. So here are the finished cards. So it's 3 different designs, 3 of each, 9 total. You can find the link for this kit and other kits in my description below.